let's take a look at multiplying multi-digit decimals. Again, multi-digit decimals just means that there's going to be more than one number in this problem with the decimal, and we're going to be multiplying them. So the problem we have is 48.62 times 0.7. Now, in all of our other addition and subtraction problems, we've made sure that our decimals were lined up, but with multiplying, we don't necessarily want our decimals to line up, we want our numbers to line up. So let's rewrite this problem with our numbers lined up, one in each box. So 48.62, one in each box to keep us organized. Now this 7 is going to go all the way to the right, then it's our decimal, and then it's a 0. So even though our decimals aren't lined up, with multiplying we want our numbers to be lined up. So now we're going to go through and we're going to multiply everything by 7, this first number over here. So 7 times 2 equals 14. We put that 4 here, but the 1, since it can't go in that same box, has to hang out up here with the 6. It's got to go one box over. 7 times 6 is 42, but it's not just 42. We have to add that 1. So 42 plus 1 is 43. 7 times 8 is 56. Once again, the 6 of the 56, that 1's place goes in the box. The 10's place jumps one box over and hangs out with that number. 7 times 4 equals 28, but not only 28, we have to add this 5, so 33. So the 3 goes here, and since there's no other numbers for our other 3 to hang out with, it joins the answers. So we still have 1 3 in each box. Now, where do we put the decimal point? We have to count how many numbers are there all together behind the decimal point. We don't count these numbers up here, so let's go on and take those out. So here's our decimal point. Behind it would be all the numbers this way. So we have 1 number here, 2 numbers here. Now here's our decimal point here. We have 1 number here. So how many numbers have we circled? 1, 2, 3 numbers. So our decimal place needs to go 1, 2, 3 spots. We always jump to the left. So it starts again, it started at the end of my number. I jumped 1 spot, 2 spots, 3 spots because of these 3 numbers. So if these jumps are confusing you, we can rewrite it again with our decimal, now where it needs to go. 33.634. And that is our answer to 48.62 times 0.7.